Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. If you are using Samsung Galaxy A73 and now you want to make a hard reset to your device, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any PC or any other Samsung device via charging cable or any other wire, and after that you can easily make the step. But for this you have to make a backup of your data because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be photos, videos, apps and accounts. So you just have to make a backup and then you can easily do that. You can easily do this on your lock scene or home scene on which you want. For this you just have to press and hold power button and the volume down button at the same time until your screen goes black, and then just shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logos. Let's see how. Just press volume down and power button at the same time and wait for your screen goes black. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it, and then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo, just like this, and then release all buttons, and after that you just have to wait for the second interface, just like this. And here you just have to make a simple setup, but first you have to make in mind that your touch will not work here. You just have to use these three buttons for the setup. So let's see how. If you want to move this cursor down, so select power down, and if you want to move this up, just press power up. For selection, just press the power button. So you have to look for wipe data and factory reset option. Just move the cursor to it and then press the power button for select, then select factory data reset from here, and then press your power button, and then just select the first option, which is reboot system. Now just press the power button again. In this way you can easily make a hard reset to your device. So after that you can easily make a fresh new startup to your device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.